Herbs in Action, reflections and stories from the Phipps Conservatory and Botanical Gardens Botany in Action Fellows discussing herbs from around the world.
Hello, my name is Florencia Pech Cardenas. My area of study is the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, and my area of study is the indigenous forestry, or also indigenous forest management. And the herb I would like to talk about today is Epazote. In English, it's called a worm seed. The Latin name of this herb, Epazote, is Dysphagia ambrosioides. Epazote is very particular, not just the look, but also how it smells. It's green, it has a really bright green color. The flowers are green, tiny little like circles. Then they open up and they have like tiny little petals that are kind of like yellowish green. But something that makes it very, very special and characteristic is the smell. It smells like a little bitter. And once you smell Epazote, you will never forget that. This is an edible herb and it's also used for medicine. So the leaves and the seeds are used to make a tea that you can use against stomach pain or also like parasites. I am more familiarized with the use in Mesoamerica, as I'm from Yucatan, Mexico. So I learned to use this plant from my mother. She's Yucateca Maya, Mazo Yucateca Maya, and she uses Epazote all the time. We had Epazote in our backyard, and all the time she made teas for us to drink as a way of get rid of the parasites we had as a kids. She also always used it for cooking, so she put it on the beans, she puts it on the papazules, which is like a Yucatecan dish, and many other dishes in Yucatan have this herb in it. It's possible to get it and plant it during the summer season when everybody's doing gardening. I can find it here in the US only in Mexican markets, so it's a very, I would say, easy to grow plant, and it really just enjoys a lot sunlight, direct sunlight, and kind of like dry, warm weather.
Herbs in Action is a collaboration between Phipps Conservatory and Botanical Gardens and the Saturday Light Brigade, and is made possible by the Mary Jane Berger Memorial Foundation, dedicated to educating the community about the many benefits and uses of herbs. To hear this feature again, or to learn more about herbs from around the world, visit mjbergerfoundation.org.